Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best upright vacuum cleaners that are available on the market for their true quality. If you're looking for the perfect vacuum to keep your home spotless, stick around because we're diving deep into the features, performance, and value of these products. You can find the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the Bissell CleanView Compact Upright Vacuum. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list, priced at just $53.99. But don't let its price tag fool you. It packs a punch. Its lightweight design, weighing in at just 8 pounds, makes it perfect for small spaces like dorm rooms and apartments. The removable extension wand adds versatility, allowing you to clean hard-to-reach areas like ceilings and corners. Plus, its scatter-free technology is a great feature for minimizing mess on hard floors. The design is simple yet effective, with a compact build that makes it easy to store. While the 1-liter dirt capacity is smaller than others on our list, it's sufficient for quick cleanups. The powerful suction ensures effective debris pickup, although it may struggle a bit with deeply embedded dirt on high-pile carpets. For pet owners on a budget, this vacuum does a decent job with pet hair, though it's not specifically engineered for heavy-duty pet messes. The value here is undeniable, and this vacuum is ideal for students, renters, or anyone who needs a lightweight, no-frills cleaner for basic tasks. However, its smaller capacity and lack of advanced features like HEPA filtration make it less suitable for larger homes or allergy sufferers. Overall, it's a solid entry-level vacuum for the price. At number 4, the Bissell CleanView Swivel Vacuum takes the stage. Priced at $107.99, this mid-range option is a fantastic choice for those looking for a balance between performance and affordability. The standout feature here is the triple-action brush roll, which effectively loosens, lifts, and removes embedded dirt and pet hair from a variety of surfaces. The 2024 model also boasts an active extension wand, making it easier than ever to tackle high or hard-to-reach areas. In terms of design, the CleanView Swivel is user-friendly and built for maneuverability thanks to its swivel steering feature. The 1-liter dirt tank is easy to empty, and the multi-cyclonic suction system ensures consistent performance without loss of suction. While it's slightly heavier, at 17.11 pounds, it's still manageable for most users. The vacuum's scatter-free technology is a nice touch for hard floors, ensuring you're not chasing debris around. This vacuum is ideal for pet owners on a budget, as it effectively handles pet hair and dander. However, it lacks a HEPA filter, which might be a drawback for allergy sufferers. Overall, the CleanView Swivel offers excellent value for its price point, combining solid performance with a range of features that make everyday cleaning a breeze. Taking the number 3 spot is the TTS Products NSS Pacer 12UE Upright Vacuum. This commercial-grade vacuum is perfect for those who need heavy-duty cleaning power. With a 12-inch cleaning path and HEPA filtration, it's specifically designed for superior dust and debris removal, making it a great option for those with allergies or large spaces to clean. It's also CRI Gold certified, which means it meets high standards for cleaning performance and indoor air quality. The design here is robust but functional. Weighing 30 pounds, it's definitely on the heavier side, but the ergonomic handle and onboard tools make it easier to maneuver than you might expect. The 5.3-liter capacity is a huge plus for extended cleaning sessions, as you won't need to empty the bin frequently. Maintenance is straightforward, with tool-free access to the brush roll, filters, and cord. This vacuum is best suited for commercial spaces or large homes with heavy foot traffic. It's not the most portable or budget-friendly option, but for those who prioritize performance and durability, the NSS Pacer 12UE is a top-notch choice. The main downside is its weight and lack of pricing transparency, which might make it less appealing for casual users. Our runner-up is the Shark Navigator Lift-Away Vacuum, priced at $169.99. This vacuum is a fantastic option for pet owners and anyone who wants a high-performance vacuum for multi-surface cleaning. The self-cleaning brush roll is a game changer, effectively handling pet hair without getting tangled. The lift-away functionality allows you to detach the pod for cleaning under furniture, stairs, and other hard-to-reach areas. Design-wise, the Navigator Lift-Away is sleek and practical. At just under 15 pounds, it strikes a good balance between heft and maneuverability. The swivel steering makes it easy to navigate tight spaces, and the anti-allergen complete seal technology, paired with a HEPA filter, ensures that dust and allergens stay trapped inside. This is a huge plus for allergy sufferers. The 5.3-liter capacity is impressive, meaning fewer trips to the trash can during your cleaning sessions. The Shark Navigator is perfect for households with pets and a mix of carpets and hard floors. While it's pricier than some of the other options, the combination of advanced features and solid performance makes it well worth the investment. The only downside is that it's not cordless, but the long power cord provides plenty of reach for most cleaning tasks. Finally, at number 1, we have the Shark Navigator Lift-Away Professional Upright Vacuum, priced at $199.99. This is the premium pick on our list, and it earns its spot with an unbeatable combination of performance, versatility, and build quality. The lift-away functionality makes it incredibly versatile, allowing you to clean everything from carpets to bare floors to high-up surfaces like shelves and curtains. The anti-allergen complete seal technology and HEPA filter trap 99.9% of dust and allergens, making it a top choice for allergy sufferers. Weighing just 13.7 pounds, this vacuum is lighter than the ZU503 AMZ model, and it features extra-large dust capacity for longer cleaning sessions. The brush roll shutoff is another standout feature, allowing you to transition seamlessly from deep carpet cleaning to gentle bare floor cleaning. Plus, it includes a crevice tool and dusting brush for added convenience. This vacuum is ideal for households with pets, families, or anyone who wants a top-tier vacuum that's built to last. While it's the most expensive option on our list, the Shark Navigator Lift-Away Professional delivers exceptional value for the price. It's powerful, reliable, and packed with features that make cleaning easier and more efficient. The only downside? The higher price point, but trust me, it's worth every penny. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.